What's going on YouTube? So in this situation, we want the cell G11 to format as a percent if the cell above it says percent, or as a dollar amount as a dollar amount if it says dollar. So what we're going to do is we're going to start by formatting the cell as dollar. So Alt H and C, enter. That's going to change to a currency. Now we're going to change the drop-down menu to be percent. And what we're going to do is we're going to use conditional formatting. So we are going to go to conditional formatting, new role, and we're going to want to use a formula to determine which cells to format. So we're going to say, and the formula is going to be equals the cell above it. If that equals, and because it's the word percent, we're going to have an open double quotes, percent, and then close double quotes. And we're going to have the format be percent. So here you can see right here, number, percentage, and I'm going to have it as 4 decimal places. Okay. So as you can see, now G11 is a percent if the cell above it says percent, and basically what the formula did is it's saying if the cell above it says percent, then format it as percent. But if it doesn't say percent, then format it as the default formatting, which is dollars. So I hope that this was helpful, if at all, and thank you. Please like, subscribe, comment, and have a great day.